Hello students, it's Miss Naras. Today's video is really review from 5th and 6th grade, and it's about finding the mean, the median, the mode, the range, the interquartile range. Right now, think about what all of those words meant. Try to remember. I'll give you vocabulary definitions later on in the video. I don't know if you guys remember from 2013, there was this game called Flappy Bird, and these are my scores for the first 10 times that I played. I didn't understand the game at first, so I got ones, then I got a 14, a few more ones, another 14, and then my highest score, 49, and then I just stopped and never played again. Now the directions say to find the mean, the median, and the mode of my scores. Well, for the mean, maybe your teacher said that was the mean one. It basically means the average, so I'm going to add all my numbers up, and I'm going to divide by 10 because that's the number of times I played. So my answer is 84 divided by 10, so 8.4 was my average score, my mean. For the median means the middle number, but I have to put them in order first. So I rearranged them a little bit, and now I find the middle value, which there's two numbers in the middle, and I'll take the average of those. So my median is 1. For the mode is the most popular, so my mode is also 1. And it didn't ask for the range, but let's go ahead and do it. For my range, I take my highest score and my lowest score and subtract them, so my range is 48. The 49 in this case is called an outlier. It significantly affects the mean. It's a number that's way out there compared to the rest of the scores. All of this, again, should be reviewed from other years, but let's do another example. Example 2. A random sample of people were given 30 minutes to read a new book. The dot plot shows the number of pages the people read in those 30 minutes. Again, find the mean, median, mode, and range. Okay. Well, each dot represents a person. So 2 people read 20 pages. Nobody read 21, 22, or 23, but 2 people read 24 pages, and so on. Let's start finding the mean. Well, I'm going to add up all my values. 20 plus 20 plus 24 plus 24 plus 25, 25, 25, dot, dot, dot. When I added them up, I got 293 for my sum. And now I have to divide by the number of values, so I counted up my dots. And I did 293 divided by 12. So my mean is about 24 pages. For my median, I already have my numbers all in order, so I just have to find the middle value. And the middle is in between 25 and 25, so my median is 25 pages. My mode, the most popular, is easy to see from my dot plot, is 25 pages. Oh, I forgot to write that one down, but my mode is 25. And then my range is the biggest value, 27, minus the smallest value, 20. So 7 pages is my range. Here are the definitions. If you need to copy them down in your notebook, I suggest you copy down the ones you didn't remember. So pause the video, copy any that you need. One more thing you learned about in 6th grade, or you should have learned about, were box and whisker plots. They looked kind of like this, and it's another way to show or summarize information. The point way over here on the left is the minimum. Take a guess at what this one's going to be called. Way on the far right, we have the maximum. And then there's a line inside of the box, which actually corresponds with the median. And then this point was called the lower or first quartile. And this one was called the upper or third quartile. So sometimes the information is given in this way. And the important thing you have to remember, which I want you to write down, is that the interquartile range is the upper quartile minus the lower quartile. It's how big the box is or how wide the box is. So for example, if I'm given this box plot that shows the weekly mileage totals of 24 runners, and I'm asked to describe the data, some things I could say are the lowest amount of miles a person ran was 15. The highest was 55. Half of the people ran less than or equal to 35 because the median is 35, and half of the people ran more or equal to 35 miles. The data is not evenly spaced, it's not symmetrical. The range, 55 minus 15 is 40, and the interquartile range is 40 minus 20, so 20. In today's assignment, you're going to be asked to look at some box plots. So in general, today you need to know mean, median, mode, range, and interquartile range. Talk to you guys later. Bye.